Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use photo restoration in Photoshop. A powerful tool to bring old and damaged photos back to life. So begin by opening your old damaged photo in Photoshop. Just go to File and click Open to select your image. Now we will need to create a duplicate layer for this one so that we can differentiate the photo restoration that we will create. So right click and then select duplicate layer and click OK. So we will adjust it here, and then we will edit this one, layer 1 copy, and then all you have to do is to click on filter and then select neural filters. Now locate the photo restoration, just scroll down and click the toggle switch. So we will need to adjust the scratch reduction. So for example, we will adjust it to 35, and then we will wait when the processing on device is finished. So as you can see, it is now edited, or the processing on device is finished, but we can edit it here to adjust the picture since it erases the nose of the child. So let's just wait. So you need to lessen the scratch reduction so that the image is restored properly. So just edit it here, edit the scratch reduction until you're satisfied with the finished edited version. And that's it. You now know how to use the photo restoration in Photoshop, a valuable skill to bring treasured memories back to their former glory. So before we wrap up, remember that photo restoration can be a bit time consuming. So take time with the editing because the results are worth it. It's a beautiful way to preserve the past and cherish those special moments. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use photo restoration in Photoshop. See you on my next video.